Hi, my name is Piper, and I just finished the Tantra for Couples workshop with Michelle here at Modern Om. And just sacred space. You know, Michelle creates an inviting, warm environment, and for my partner and I to engage with each other in a more sensitive, connected way. And the first opening exercise was just the hands on the heart, and just my hand on mine, my other hand on his, and vice versa, was so powerful. And immediately the tears just started rolling down my cheeks. And she asked us specific questions to ask, and to give the answers, and it was so powerful. And that was just the opening. And then from there, you just go deeper into connecting with one another. And it's playful, it's fun, it's quiet, it's intimate, it's a lot of things. And Michelle does an amazing job guiding us through the session, and we're just staying clothed in comfortable clothing, working on top of the clothes. Some skin is nice, but it needs to be taught more. It needs to be shared more. It needs to be given more. Everybody needs to come to Michelle's workshops because they're powerful and they're transformational. And our sexual energy does need to heal collectively as a society. And it's hard to always go up to the generations before us, but we can teach this to our children. And it starts with us individually. So I absolutely recommend any and all of Michelle's workshops and classes. Come.